In this lecture, we are going to apply our knowledge to perform common tasks in data science. We will apply the exploratory data analysis that we have learned so far to a real-life dataset. Before beginning, let's first import the required libraries like this. Now we will read a marketing dataset from a CSV file using the pandas function read_CSV. Then we will display the head of this data frame using the function head like this. As you see, this dataset contains many columns of features. Some are numerical and some are categorical variables. To display how many rows and how many columns in this data frame, we use the attribute shape like this. As you see, this data frame contains around 2,200 rows and 11 columns. Let's assume that you are interested in exploring the income column. The first thing to do to explore this feature is to find the mean and the median of income. We calculate the mean using the function mean like this. And we calculate the median using the function median like this. From the mean, we know that the average is around 51,000. And from the median, we know that 50% of observations have income less than $51,000. Now, to have a general look at the means for all numerical features, we apply the mean function directly on the data frame, like this. There is another important function which is called describe. This function gives us a bunch of statistics, and we can apply it to the income column like this. As you see, this function displays useful statistics such as count, which is the number of observations, mean, which is the average income, and a bunch of other statistics like standard deviation, minimum and maximum values, and quartiles. Don't worry right now about these statistics. They will be explained in the next module. With this, we come to the end of this lecture. The next lecture will be an exercise for you. It is now your turn to apply the knowledge that you have learned in this module. Thanks for watching and see you there.